In this video, I will talk about the two functions which are there in Office 365 Excel called MAXIFS and MINIFS. As the name suggests, it's like SUMIFS, but the difference is it's min and max respectively. Now, let me give you one use case. Imagine on different dates, we have different orders from different customers, and this is the price that they paid for that one single order. Now, the dates may not be sorted. Now, at this point, I would like to know what is the date of the earliest order placed by Amy. If the name changes to John, the answer should change. So I want MINIFS. Since every valid date is a number, MINIFS will pick up the lowest number. How does it operate? At this point, after the bracket is open, I can press the shortcut key Ctrl A to be able to open this function argument box. I press Tab key to open more such input boxes. So my criteria is Amy. This criteria I'm going to look for inside the criteria range, which is nothing but the list of range of names, and I will prefer to put a dollar across the range. Not immediately required, but it's a good practice to freeze the range. Now, in the min range, I choose the date and do ensure one thing, that the start of both the ranges are same and so are the end of these two ranges. That means the height of the ranges should be same. Once I press OK, you might get a number and don't be worried about it. Reason? I will simply go to a date format, go to Format Painter, and then use that on the cell to get the correct format. If I see the data, Amy, the earliest order is 11th Jan 19. How about John? Let me change that to John and see, yes, it's 31st December 18. Now, you could of course change this MINIFS to MAXIFS to know the last order placed by any one of these two customers. Now, you can use the same logic to find out the lowest purchase price that applied to Amy. So I will use MINIFS. I might go to the function bar, click on that, or press Ctrl A. Either ways, I will get to access this boxes. Criteria is Amy. The range in which these criteria are found is this list of names. I freeze that as a good practice. And in the min range, I will choose the range which has the minimum possible value. And here also I ensure that the heights of the ranges are same. Once that is done, I press OK and I see that 5 is the lowest what Amy paid for the product. How about John? And I get to see the answer 9.2. Quite rightly so, because John has been paying much more than that for the remaining transactions. So friends, to understand this best, I'm assuming that you already have a basic background about SUMIFS and COUNTIFS. If not, please watch our videos on that and then come back to MAXIFS and MINIFS to understand the use cases as what I showed you.